Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Cohere API using API keys, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Cohere API using API keys, begin by creating an account on the Cohere website. Navigate to the Cohere API section after logging into your account. Locate the option to generate a new API key. Click on the button to create a new API key. Once generated, copy the API key to your clipboard for later use. Open your preferred code editor or development environment. Install any required libraries for making HTTP requests if you haven't done so already. In your code, set up a function or method that will handle the API requests. Ensure you include necessary headers in your request. Add an authorization header that includes your API key. Format the header as follows: authorization, your _API_ key. Replace your _API_ key with the actual key you copied earlier. Choose the endpoint you wish to interact with from the Cohere API documentation. Use your HTTP client to send a request to the chosen endpoint. Make sure to specify the appropriate request method, such as POST or GET. Run your code to make the API call. Check the response to see if the authentication was successful. Debug any issues by reviewing error messages provided in the response. Once authenticated, you can start making other API requests as needed. Keep your API key secure and do not expose it in public repositories. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.